Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 3 for the subject of general knowledge, topic countries and oceans, and is submitted to you on 12th of July 2021. In this chapter, we will learn about how many countries we have, fascinating facts about some countries, number of oceans we have, and some facts about them. So, I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. What is a country? A country is a land that is controlled by a single government. Countries are also called nations, states. Next is how many countries in the world we have. So there are 195 countries in the world today. This total comprises 193 countries that are member states of United Nations and 2 countries that are non-member observer states. These are the Holy See and the state of Palestine. Next is where are they located? Of the 195 countries in the world, 54 countries are in Africa, 48 in Asia, 44 in Europe, 33 in Southern America, 14 in Oceania, and 2 in Northern America. Now next are some fascinating facts about different countries. First is Canada is having the most lakes in the world. Second, Russia is the world's largest country. Third, the world's oldest country is in Europe. Fourth is doing cheating during an exam in Bangladesh is punishable by imprisonment. Fifth is there are 63 million pairs of chopsticks or 126 million single sticks manufactured in China every year. Next is India gave the world its sweet tooth. Sugarcane was first chemically refined about 2500 years ago in India. So we have to thank India for this. Next is there is a small city called Sialkot in Pakistan that produces 40% of the world's soccer balls. Next is there are more uncontacted people in Brazil portion of the Amazon than anywhere else in the planet. Next is about a quarter of our overseas nurses come from the Philippines, making it the world's top supplier of nurses. Last is bread was invented in Egypt around 8000 BC. So we have to thank this for Egypt. Next is oceans. The ocean is a continuous body of a salt water that covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. So next is how many oceans we have. Historically, there are 4 named oceans: the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, and Arctic. However, most countries, including the United States, now recognize the Southern Antarctic as the 5th ocean. So, the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian are the most commonly known oceans. Now some fascinating facts about oceans. First is the ocean is home to nearly 95% of all life. Second is the planet's longest mountain range is underwater. Third is the Pacific is wider than the moon. Fourth is one iceberg could supply a million people with drinking water for 5 years. Fifth is the world's longest mountain chain is underwater. Next is pressure about the bottom of the sea would crush you like an ant. Seventh is water at the bottom of the ocean is incredibly hot. Eighth is tsunami is move at 500 miles per hour. And last is there are 20 million tons of untouchable gold in the ocean. With this, student, we end with this topic. Thank you and have a very nice day.